Howdy. A little quake video. There is some activity going on. We are watching a 24 hours earthquake activity. And I basically wanted to talk about three things. One is in Italy, and it's called Campi Flegrei. And I think this crater here is called Solfarata, which means sulfur. Santuario di San Gennaro alla Solfarata. Sulfur. The Romans were digging sulfur there. So we have the two possibilities about having sulfur on Earth. One, as you can see here in the picture, is coming from below. And there might be another one where the sulfur came from above. Yeah. I've been talking about these. You can check the videos out. Check out the copper playlist. There is activity at Campi Flegrei and maybe at Campi Flegrei's bigger brother, because why shouldn't this bay be a caldera? Don't know. Maybe there is a reason, maybe there isn't a reason. But anyway, there is activity going on and we are just watching at 24 hours. And this is not gonna be a long video. Now we have to turn back to satellite view and we go over to, maybe it's Spain. No, it is the North Atlantic Ocean. No country, maybe it's no man's land. 2.7 North Atlantic Ocean. There are two quakes and we are off the coast of maybe Spain, maybe Portugal, maybe it's Atlantis. But obviously we have these seamounts. And at least part of them, they have very interesting names. And in order to find out how they are called, we go over to the National Data Buoy Center. Now let's zoom out a little bit and go back to the other map, which is here. So this goes down and around. We are here with the quakes. Now this looks somehow different than on the other map. But I think we are here somewhere, I guess. And this is just, here it's marked somewhere, Josephine Bank, 89 meters below sea level, which isn't too much. And here we have some kind of a line maybe, or a cross. Let me show you those other seamounts because they have very interesting names. Here one popped up already. We have the Lion Bank, we have the Dragon Bank, and there's also the Unicorn Bank. And for those who know about the electric universe, they're all, how to put it, electrical in nature. The dragon, the unicorn, and the lion. Electrical discharges, plasma, and so on. Then we have the Ampere seamount, which is also obviously related to electricity. So they might be sea urchin spines, jewel antennas. But now let's go back still to this map, because there is another interesting spot where something is going on. And there is also something interesting with those. As you can see, they are different colored. This one is orange, which indicates it's a bit deeper. This one is red, which indicates it is a shallow quake. Now let's check out this one. Magnitude 2.0, 15 kilometers in depth. And I think 15 kilometers might be the exact border for the quake being marked in red still. After that, it turns into orange because it's a bit deeper. And this happened 17 hours ago. And now let's check out this one. 18 hours ago, 2.1, which is marked in red. And here it says, depth under the epicenter, 0 kilometer, announced by Norsar. But 28 kilometers in depth. Other data sources, and we have two other data sources which are saying it's 28 kilometers in depth, which would be rather deep. I don't know exactly how deep the water is there, but it seems it's not maybe very deep. But the other thing is also that since we are north of Scandinavia, off the coast of Norway, what you can't see in this picture here, I'm going to show you. It is not visible. Watch the area approximately here. Do you see anything interesting? I don't. There is nothing. Right? And the problem is that this web page where this bathymetric map, which is very interesting, it seems to not work anymore. For whatever reasons. I made this video obviously some 3 weeks ago. And now let's just play and look because there is no sound. The quakes are somewhere here on the left. And here we have this thing here. Just off the coast of Norway. Which is totally invisible in this other map we just watched. And I think that's also a screenshot, what I'm showing here in that video. I will put a link below to this video, you can have a look at that. And since I couldn't find the original screenshot, I had to use this video. This thing is up here. And when we go over to the volcano application, maybe it's this. You can see that there's kind of a shadow or something, but it's not visible. There's like other stuff which you can see, some ancient mud flows and stuff like that. And of course the quakes, which are not too far. The crater is somewhere here, and here are the quakes. And the thing is, as I show, I think it's in this, yeah, I click on go to the website, and there's just this dude Under construction. This page is displayed as long as nothing is uploaded. And this is 3 weeks ago. And this is what they are showing at the moment. This website is not configured yet. The website you wish to visit is not available right now since it has not been configured on the server yet. Are you the owner of the website and recently made a change regarding the domain? What's up with that? Yeah, it's not the first time that I have been showing some web page and after a while it turned out it's not working anymore. Might be just a coincidence. Yeah. It's in a way funny to encounter same coincidences over and over again. But anyway, I really would have liked to show you the map, but it doesn't work. For whatever reasons. And also it's interesting to have this quake. The Norwegians say there is nothing, 0 kilometers in depth, and the other ones, it's 28. So let's check out more information about that. Does it work? Yes, it does. How do they ask me that? Weak shaking near epicenter. Yeah, you would in a way expect that from an earthquake. 0 reports. What's that? Geo-Uib? Norwegians. Translate to English. Yes. So I don't know, I haven't ever seen that page. Does it work? It doesn't really work. That's a very interesting map. I don't know how to read that map yet. 28th April. So there's 1 month of quakes. Yeah, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Magnitude minus 0.6. Yeah, a minus earthquake. That's interesting. So there's something going on up here. They seem to have very good maps. Let's check it out. If there's, do we see the crater on that map? Or on this map? No. It's not visible. Yeah, this is really annoying. It's not visible. That's interesting. You know, if you zoom in here, you can see rather good details and stuff. But the crater is just not visible. But anyway, there is some activity, 0 minus 0.6 earthquakes and stuff like that. Jordskelipsdavsnjonen Bergen. I Bergen. Alright. There's an owl. Norwegian National Seismic Network. Alright. Do we have similar earthquake activity also on the other map? Let's check it out. We cannot see a month of quakes, but there might be something. Yeah, here we don't see anything. Earthquake filter 2 days. Yes. There it is. Yeah, I probably have to find some place where we can look what's there at the bottom of the sea. Maybe there's something similar as we have here up in the north, which is invisible. Yes. But anyway, this should have been a short video. Now I just drifted off. The page doesn't work. You cannot see any bathymetric maps anymore from the North or Baltic Sea or Arctic Sea. It's just gone, under construction. Despite we have some activity, and it would be rather interesting to look at the places, you know. Maybe we would see something. There seems to be something. Now let's give it a quick try. Bathymetric map, Arctic Sea. Geology, NOAA, ResearchGate, Nature, European Space Agency. National Geophysical Data Center. Yeah, why not? Let's try it. Visit. The International Bathymetric Map of the Arctic Sea. Free download. Exciting. Ta-da. Tromsø. Abyssal Plain. Yeah. Maybe that's the region where the earthquake activity is. So can we see the crater? Yeah, maybe that's the structure I've been talking about, but it's not that well visible. Yeah, but anyway, that's a rather interesting map. The Bear Island. Yeah, I've been talking about that place. This would be a spot where I really would like to go once. There's a, check this out, there's a huge mountain in the middle of the plain, which seems to cast a shadow. Wow! Well, that's quite something. But anyway, I think I'll leave it here. Thanks. Bye.